Walking to the show tonight, just a woman ran up to me and she said, "I love your hair. It's like you're going fast, but you're not." When I got here, I looked in the mirror and I'm like, I'm going pretty fast. I mean, look at the view. It's almost like I'm flying over you. If you look at the side, it's ridiculous. It's crazy. Where's he going? Oh, I can see that look on your face. You're all wondering why Tony Danza's in your wonderful city tonight. Some of the older people are like, "No, honey, that's Henry Winkler. He's here. Times are tough. He's back on stage again." The younger people are like, "Man, the singer for the Chili Peppers is pretty haggard. Why is he here tonight?"